Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Back up important data right away because the removal process often erases user data. Make sure the Xperia has at least 50% charge and that you know the exact model and Android build. If you can unlock the screen even briefly, enable USB debugging. If not, note that a factory reset will be needed. Connect the phone to a PC with a quality USB cable and install Sony Xperia Companion or ADB drivers so the device is recognized. Once the PC recognizes the Xperia, choose the safest tool first. Xperia Companion Software Repair, which reinstalls firmware and removes screen locks while preserving device compatibility. If you prefer manual methods, use ADB/fastboot. Reboot to bootloader, unlock if authorized, then fastboot erase user data to remove the password. Understand this wipes personal files. If the bootloader is locked or ADB is unavailable, boot to recovery by holding power plus volume up and perform a factory reset. This is the fallback to regain access. After the reset or firmware reinstall, reboot and walk through Android setup, signing into your Google account to restore apps and data from backup. If you unlock the bootloader during the process, relock it to restore security. Note relocking can repeat a factory erase, so back up first. If the device still fails to boot or remains locked, try a different USB cable or port, use safe mode to rule out third-party lock apps, or repeat the Xperia Companion repair step. Those actions resolve most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.